Go get the stick. Hey, not around me. Oh, Harry.
Yeah, you tell him if you don't like it. You let him know.
Hi. We're on ice. We just don't want to fall down.
He just got up from a 3-hour nap. So
Oh.
he's ready to go.
Yes, he stayed with them. I'm like, oh man.
He barely got like he could, like it's like he couldn't find his voice.
Yes.
Our daughter was over here.
He spent a week with them, and now all he does is bark.
Yeah, he didn't bark forever, and then all of a sudden it was nothing but barking. Yeah, he plays really rough with the other dogs. Don't be so rough. You go get the stick, Harry. Get the stick. It's very icy out here right now. I don't even want to go out there and get the stick. You gonna go get him? You gonna go out and get him? Huh? You gonna go out and get him? Harry. You're not a lot of fun right now, buddy. Knock it off, Harry. He's not who you think he is. He's trying to go get the stick. It's not working. Go get the stick for your dad. Yeah, bring me the stick! 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 Come here, bring me the stick! Come here, come here, come here! Yeah, give it to me. Here, give me the stick. Arr, give me the stick.